So unfortunately it looks like summer is coming to an end, so I thought what better way to bring about the end of summer than to go on a nice little cruise slash hoon on some of my local favorite back roads here. So I'm going to do a quick little POV style video. Like I said, hopefully it captures the sound of the S54 roaring through the back roads here. So if you're an OG to the channel, you already know that I did something pretty similar back in the day. I want to say about 4 to 5 years ago, where I went on a nice night POV style drive earlier. But it's crazy to think that back then the car was pretty much stock. Like, it had coilovers and I think it had the section 3, but aside from that, the car was pretty stock. It was still on, actually now that I think about it, it was on like winters. It was the 18-inch winter wheels. So safe to say the car has come a long way since then. It's actually pretty crazy to think about how far the car has come. And no, the car hasn't changed color. This is just how carbon black is. It's pretty much black in any other lighting except for direct sunlight. I think that's enough yapping for me. I'm gonna hop in the car and yeah, let's go for a nice little drive. guy is probably scared out of his wits. It's dark. He's basically in the middle of nowhere, and then this guy in this BMW has been following him for like 5 minutes. Shitting his pants as we speak.